Everyone tells you to learn more skills if you want to succeed online. But what if that's exactly why you feel stuck? Think about it. Every week you watch another tutorial, another AI tool, another editing trick, another best way to make money online. And for a moment, it feels productive. But then nothing changes. Not because you're not smart enough, not because you're lazy, but because your brain got addicted to learning instead of building. See, consuming knowledge feels safe. You get dopamine without risk. Watching videos feels easier than uploading your own. Planning feels easier than starting. And over time, you confuse preparation with progress. But here's the truth most people never realize. The internet doesn't reward the people who know the most. It rewards the people who execute consistently. And once you understand that, everything changes. So if you want to stop wasting time and actually start growing online, here are 7 mindset shifts you need right now. First, stop waiting to feel ready. Most people delay their goals because they think confidence comes first. I'll start my channel when I get better. I'll upload when my editing improves. I'll begin when everything looks perfect. But confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after repetition. Your first videos will feel awkward. Your first thumbnails won't look amazing. Your first ideas might fail. That's normal. Every creator you admire started messy. The difference is, they kept going long enough to improve. Second, create before you consume. This habit alone can change your life. Most people wake up and immediately start consuming, scrolling, watching, reading, comparing. By the time they actually want to work, their energy is already gone. So flip the order. Before you watch content, create something first. Edit one clip, write one idea, record one voiceover. Even 20 minutes is enough. Because when creating becomes your priority, your mind stops being a spectator and starts becoming a producer. Third, stop comparing your beginning to someone else's peak. This destroys more dreams than failure ever will. You look at creators with millions of views and think, I'll never reach that level. But you're comparing your chapter 1 to their chapter 50. You don't see the old videos nobody watched, the months of slow growth, the failed uploads.